Unlock the secret to laundry like a pro. Conquer your washing machine with these easy moves and banish dirty clothes forever. How to use a washing machine step by step. Okay, so you've moved out. You're doing it. You're living alone. But then reality hits, and that pile of clothes is starting to smell like betrayal. Don't worry. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a washing machine without blowing it up. Hopefully. Step 1. Sort your clothes. Don't just throw. Separate lights and darks. Whites in one pile, darks in another. Red socks don't go with white t-shirts unless you want accidental pink. Step 2. Detergent. You'll either use powder, liquid, or pods. Pods go into the drum with the clothes. Liquid and powder usually go in the drawer. Check the labels. You don't need much. If it foams like a TikTok cleaning video, you've used too much. Step 3. Load and settings. Next, shove your clothes in. Don't overpack. Clothes need room to move. For settings, quick wash, 30 to 40 minutes is good for most clothes. For a cotton or heavy load, use this for towels or bedding. 40 to 60 degrees is fine here. Mostly use 30 degrees to save money, unless you're washing something super gross. Yuck. Most machines have confusing symbols like hieroglyphics. Remember though that they're all basically the same. Just Google your model or use the daily or mixed setting. Step 4. Hit start. Close the door properly, press start, and boom, you're off. You're bossing this. Congratulations, you've just leveled up your laundry skills. Next time, we'll talk about drying your laundry without turning your room into a swamp. Remember to like and subscribe for more how-to videos so you don't fall apart when living alone for the first time.